Group CBS has you covered through the power of one.
So that's going to be where the water exits, and then here's the power coming off of the main generators, and then they're transformed up for transmission. So these will go from 15,000 volts up to probably 34,500 based on the number of insulators that are on that. This is one of the cooler hydros I've been at. It's actually carved into a mountain. I'm here fixing a breaker. I've already finished, but I think I'm gonna be stuck here overnight because the plane that dropped us off, it has a 3 o'clock deadline. So it's gonna get loud in here. So these are the valves that would supply the generators. So the hydro, like the reservoir will be up way above us. This is Hydroelectric and power. So here's, you can see the lake that comes through this power tunnel down into those valves I just showed you, and then into the turbine deck, which is right behind me. So here's where the water would come in. It will spin this turbine, and then here's the generator right here. You can see this is the old pictures. That would be the turbine where the water goes through. And these are pretty much how every hydro operates. That's the old breaker we just replaced, that one I repaired. There's the water coming in through the mountain, through those valves, which those are 2 that they replaced earlier. Up here is the turbine deck. There's the generators. I'll see if I can see the nameplate. Running. They're 26 megawatts, and they got 3 of them, so you can do like just over 70, like 78 megawatts out of here. And these will be the main supply, like the output switchgear up here. This is the part I do for a living. So these will be your 3 main output breakers that are going out to those transformers, and they transfer the voltage up real high and transmit it out of here. They're installing the breaker that I just worked on to test it right now. Oh yeah. Don't wear any loose clothing around that. Here, I'm walking back out of the hydro. I mean, I'll come up here and work for a week. My job's pretty cool sometimes.